Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow well. Today's topic is this: my 5 sources of income. How do I make money online? How do I make money online? One, I have a job. I work at the University of Nairobi and I work online. My job basically is to maintain the University of Nairobi website or system of websites. I have about 10 websites that I maintain as a web admin, and it's 100% online. Of course, a website is an online thing. So one of the ways I make money online is a job, work at the University of Nairobi, and I'm working 100% online. The other way I make money online is I have a book, and this book I sell it online. So you can order your copy of my stock market book and I can deliver it physically. The other thing I do to make money online is I trade the stock market. I buy shares, sell shares, buy shares, sell shares, buy shares, sell shares. Buy ups at 10 bob, it goes to 11 shillings, I sell. Buy equity at 40 shillings, it goes to 50, I sell. Buy KCB at 40, it goes to 45, I sell. So I do stock market, buying and selling shares. The other thing I do online is basically I get dividends. When I buy Standard Chartered Bank shares, I get dividend. When I buy KCB shares, I get dividends. So I also get dividends. And that's also one of the sources of income that I do. The other thing I do, I run a Telegram channel. And if you are new here and you're not in our Telegram channel, join our Telegram group. That's where we talk about the stock market 24/7. So I run a Telegram channel, and then I have a special, an exclusive membership club within the Telegram channel. And I also charge them. I also charge people to advise them further. Actually, is where I train people on the stock market. So if you want further training on the stock market, if you want finer details on the stock market, join the VIP group. That's where I teach people about the stock market. In the general group, we don't teach about the stock market in finer details. We just touch on the basics. If you want finer training on the stock market, join the VIP group. The cost is 1,000 shillings per person for 30 days. And then you are taught the stock market. 30 days may not be enough. You need about 4, 5, 6 months to develop the resilience, to develop the patience, to develop because knowing when to buy and when to sell is not enough. Sometimes you know, but you're not sure. So then you need somebody who can walk with you, who can guide you, and who can help you build confidence. Building confidence in the stock market takes time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Those are the 5 ways I make money online. And you can also use them to make money online. It's not impossible to do. Thank you and bye. See you in the next video.